Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you the Seville wig in the brand new color Macadamia LR. I'm going to talk about the color really briefly before I get into the Seville wig itself. Macadamia LR, I'm going to zoom in. LR stands for longer root. You can see that right here. The root on this is kind of like a medium brown color. And down here, we've got something that looks very similar to the Mochaccino R color. Mochaccino R is a light golden brown that has some very nice kind of like honey blonde throughout and has that nice darkened root. So it's very pretty. It's not too gold. It's not brassy at all. It's just a very pretty color, and macadamia looks just like it with the exception of it has that longer root that's just very subtle and very pretty. Gives some dimension to the color. I'm going to sweep this bang off to the side a little bit. So Seville has been around for a little while. It's just they released these brand new colors, and Seville was lucky enough to get to be offered in the newer colors. Seville is kind of like a really long page that has bangs. The front of it is it's 5.15 inches here. The crown down is 10.65 inches, so the bottommost layer in the back is going to be around here. And the nape is 9.8, so this is definitely a mid-length wig. The hair is very sleek. It's very satiny feeling, has a lot of that anti-static coating on it. So it will be a little shiny, but it feels lovely. Very, very, very lovely feel to the hair, and definitely the kind of bang that wants to flop in the face. So if you want to wear it off to the side like it is in the pictures, you're gonna have to kind of work with it a little bit because it definitely wants to like be a regular fringe bang. But it has a little bit of a curl to it, so it doesn't like go right to the eyes, which is kind of comfy. It's 5.5 ounces, which is kind of heavy for a wig of this length with this much hair. But that's just because the Noriko fibers in general and the cap construction with all this permatease is a little bit heavy. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the sides so you can see what this wig looks like all the way around. The hair moves really nice. It's a very, very, very pretty cut. The top is permateased, so that longer root color really helps kind of draw attention away from the permatease. The cap on this is a little snug on me. I say that every time I put on a Noriko cap, but I actually own quite a few Noriko wigs in my private collection, and you know, I just know that if I wear these for a while, they'll stretch out to kind of fit my head, but you kind of have to play that by ear. That isn't the case for everybody. It just depends on where your head is, you know, where the girth of your head is really located and how much you're willing to put up with a tight wig until it actually loosens up a bit. I'm going to go ahead and take Seville off so you can see what the cap construction looks like. I love this color. I actually really like all three of the longer root colors. I think they're very beautiful. I think they're very dynamic. They've just got a lot going on. Very pretty. There's a look at that permatease top. That darker color really does help obscure the permatease a bit. You can see there's a little bit of fringy layering down here at the bottom, but not a whole lot. It's not a heavily layered wig by any stretch of the imagination, which is kind of out of the norm for Noriko actually. Noriko specializes in heavily layered wigs with permatease. Here is a look at the top of the wig. As you can see, this whole part here, this whole top part is permateased. Stretchy in the back, the perimeter, not so much. It does adjust a little bit like a bra strap. It does have an extended nape. No felt anywhere though. And the ear tabs just have lace covering them, so nothing really fancy there. But very, very, very pretty wig. I love how durable the Noriko hair fibers are. Same thing with Rene of Paris and Revlon. They just have really durable hair. But then again, all hair can be durable if you treat it well. So it all comes back to care eventually. I'm going to go ahead and pop this one back on so you can see just how easy it is. Now I do suggest with these straight wigs that you carry a wide tooth comb. My favorite is by John Renaud. It's a little black travel comb. I sell it on my website, and you can put it in your purse. It's really nice to straighten out these wigs. I mean, you won't have to comb it right away. They do just kind of stay nice and tangle free for a little while, but that does not last forever. And eventually they will start to tangle. So you'll want to carry a comb with you if you're going to wear this one for every day. It does have a nice amount of hair, just a very natural amount of hair. So there you have it. This is the Seville wig by Noriko in the color Macadamia LR. Again, it's very, very similar to Mochaccino R. It just has a longer root. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great night. And check out my web store. I sell wigs, I don't just review them. www.CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.